EuroRust 2025 was amazing.
This year I think was really outstanding. The content was amazing.
The conference this time has been much bigger, and I think it's a testament to the community.
This conference really has a lot of love. It has a lot of developers who are really into the language. They love what they're doing.
On the one hand, I get to make new friends, and also it is a really nice community full of very, very interesting people who work on cool things, and I get to bother them about the cool things they work on, which is great.
We had so many first-time speakers doing their first talk at the conference, and they absolutely nailed it. I'm so happy for them to deliver such an amazing performance.
And it was just great seeing the Rust community come together once again. Brings in a whole nother energy of people that makes it really, really interesting to be around it.
Here I actually find people from like all sorts of projects doing all sorts of different things, using the same common language and actually trying to streamline things, and I value that very, very much.
If you're just starting doing Rust, you are very welcomed. Everyone is willing to help you. If you are professional, you're always eager to help others. So this is very important. You feel included in the community at all times, so that's amazing.
I'm working on the Rust language itself, so just being able to meet other people from the program language is very exciting.
My first time in EuroRust, I flew out from San Diego. I heard about the conference. I've been watching a lot of their stuff on YouTube. A lot of fun, a lot of great feedback, and meeting a lot of great people too.
I gave a workshop on WebAssembly. It's been really awesome. I'm really excited and really hyped about just the openness and the friendliness and the willingness to collaborate, and that was a really nice experience for sure.
I always say that the Rust community is my happy place. I rarely felt so much contribution going on, engagement going on, discussions going on, and this keeps bringing me back. So I look forward to EuroRust next year because I finally can meet everybody again.